Hi everyone. My name is Florence, and I've just come home after a 22-hour work shift, and I'm super tired, but I'm excited to let you all know about a 2-day life workshop that I attended this weekend with Junior Anthony of Life Satori on affiliate marketing. This is a program that I've been interested in for a while, and I've actually been uh, taking a course with another program for the last 2 months, but I really have not seen any results, or it's just taken a long time to get to the grasp of how to do this. I have no experience at all in affiliate marketing, and it's something that I've been interested in doing. So this live 2-day live workshop was really an eye opener, and Junior Anthony explained it so well, and the information was actually mind blowing when he explains it. It's you just feel like this is something that you can actually do. And the other thing is that we there is a group of other members of Life Tutorial who have actually been through the program, and they are there to help, and they hold your hand, and you can ask questions, and they walk you step by step on what to do. So I'm super excited about this program, and I just want to invite you all to join us. I mean, it's if you've ever thought of doing affiliate marketing or anything online business, come along and join us. I'm very grateful to Junior Anthony, and I look forward to continue working with you and also the larger family. Thank you.